Hey Tech Explorer fam! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in mobile technology. Today, we're talking about the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Pro. Xiaomi is known for pushing boundaries, and this upcoming flagship looks to be packed with cutting-edge features. So, whether you're into performance, camera quality, or design, this phone has something for everyone. Stick around to find out all the details. Let's start with the design. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is rumored to feature a sleek, premium design with a ceramic back and aluminum frame for a high-end look and feel. It's expected to come in multiple colors, including classic black, white, and possibly a special edition finish. On the front, we're looking at a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and QHD+ resolution. The LTPO technology will allow for smoother transitions between refresh rates, meaning you get the best balance between performance and battery life. The curved edges of the display add a modern touch, while the punch-hole front camera makes for a sleek, bezel-free design. With HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support, content consumption on the Xiaomi 15 Pro will be a visual treat, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing. Now, the camera setup on the Xiaomi 15 Pro is shaping up to be one of its key selling points. The phone is rumored to feature a 50MP primary sensor, utilizing Sony's IMX989 1-inch sensor, which is perfect for capturing high-detail shots, even in low-light environments. In addition to that, we expect a 48MP ultrawide lens that's ideal for landscape photography and capturing more in a single frame. Xiaomi is also likely to include a 32MP telephoto lens, offering 3x optical zoom and up to 30x digital zoom, so you can get closer to your subject without losing clarity. On the video side, the phone is expected to support 8K video recording, which is becoming the standard in high-end smartphones. The combination of optical image stabilization, OIS, and AI video enhancements means smoother, professional quality videos even if you're on the move. For selfies, the Xiaomi 15 Pro will likely sport the 32MP front camera with AI beauty modes and HDR for stunning, high-quality selfies in any lighting condition. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Pro will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This is Qualcomm's most advanced processor to date, offering top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and intensive applications. The Xiaomi 15 Pro will come with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience no matter how many apps you have running. For storage, we're expecting up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, which means faster read and write speeds for everything from loading apps to transferring large files. This phone will have no trouble handling whatever you throw at it. The Xiaomi 15 Pro will also come with 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, making sure you're future-proofed for the next generation of wireless speeds and lower latency. When it comes to battery life, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is expected to pack a 5100 mAh battery, giving you a full day of heavy use without the need to recharge. Xiaomi is known for their fast-charging technology, and the 15 Pro is no exception. We're looking at 120W wired fast charging, which can get you from 0 to 100% in just under 20 minutes. And for those who prefer wireless charging, it's expected to support 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, so you can charge your other devices on the go. The Xiaomi 15 Pro will come with MIUI 15, based on Android 14. Xiaomi's interface is packed with customization options, smart features, and AI enhancements designed to optimize battery performance and app management. Security is another strong point, with an in-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition for quick and secure unlocking. The phone is also expected to feature stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, giving you a cinematic audio experience whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming. And with IP68 water and dust resistance, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is built to withstand the elements. So, to wrap it up, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is shaping up to be a beast of a smartphone in 2024, with its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, stunning display, and a camera system that will rival the best out there. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or just someone who wants the latest tech, this phone has it all. What do you think about the Xiaomi 15 Pro? Are you excited for its launch? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech videos. Until next time, Techsplorer fam, stay techy.